Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over the installation of Windows Server 2012 and any changes associated with it. This is not a preview or beta of the operating system. This is the full version of Windows Server 2012. As you can see on this screen, I have already booted into the installation CD and I am ready to click next and begin the installation. I will go ahead and click next now and install now. Enter the product key to activate Windows. This seems to be new on Windows Server 2012, as on previous versions like on Windows Server 2008 and Server 2008 R2, you were allowed to install the operating system without entering a product key first. On Server 2003 and Server 2003 R2, you were required to enter a product key before installing the operating system. It seems like Microsoft has gone back to this model. I will pause the video, enter my product key, click next, and resume recording right after that. On this screen, as you can see, we have the option to select which operating system to install. There are two options: Windows Server 2012 Standard Server Core Installation and Windows Server 2012 Standard Server with a GUI. I will go ahead and select the server with a GUI, as this is the most common installation option. You will also notice on this screen that this is the standard version of the operating system, and I want to go ahead and talk about that a little bit more. This release of Windows came with 4 editions: the Data Center, Standard, Essentials, and Foundation. The Standard Edition has the same features as the Enterprise Edition had on previous versions of Windows Server, like on Server 2003 and Server 2008. I know that one of the main differences was that you could do clustering on the Enterprise Edition, and you were not allowed to do so on the Standard Edition. I also want to talk about the 64-bit architecture. Server 2008 was the last server operating system to install on a 32-bit architecture. Any other operating system, like any other server operating system, like Server 2008 R2 and now Server 2012, are going to be 64-bit only. I will go ahead and click next here. I'm going to go ahead and accept the license terms and click next. On this screen, we're presented with two options for the type of installation. One is the upgrade and the other one is the custom. This is kind of the same thing as on Windows Server 2008 and Server 2008 R2. I'm going to select custom, as I'm not doing an upgrade. I might do a video on how to upgrade from older versions, like from Server 2008 or Server 2008 R2. I'm also going to post a link down below to Microsoft article where they explain the different supported paths to upgrade to Server 2012. Here is my hard drive. I am going to go ahead and click next. Alright, the installation will begin now. I will fast forward this until we get to the next screen. Alright, here I'm going to go ahead and type the administrator account's password twice and hit finish. Okay, here I'm going to hit Control Delete and log in with the administrator account and the password that I just configured, and it should load the desktop for us. Okay, so we're on the desktop. First thing you see is the Server Manager console. They make some changes to it. I also noticed that we don't have the star button. It's in the same place that you would find it on Windows 8. You go here to the right hand corner, click on the star icon, and you have the same icons that you would have on a regular start button, except for the desktop. You click on the desktop and it takes you back to the desktop. Here I'm going to show you how much space the actual installation, a clean install of Windows Server 2012 took from the hard drive. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.